Hey, this is Zack from Live Local Luxury, and today I'm going to explain the right-hand side dashboard displays. So to see the displays, we need to turn the car on. So we put our foot on the brake and turn the ignition to on. So as you can see, we are in park according to the center, and we have our right-hand side display on the right. That gives us our boost pressure, gives us our coolant temperature, gives us our oil temperature, as well as our oil pressure. So if I blip the throttle a little bit, you should see the oil pressure shoot up because it's tied directly to that pump mechanically. But if you don't care about the technical specs, there's this little roller ball right here, and if we roll down one, it'll show us our audio, like I Like It by Cardi B. We can go again to see our trip specs, tell us how long we've been driving for, how far we've gone, the average miles per gallon, and our average speed. And it gives us our tire pressure monitoring system, which will come on once you exceed 15 miles per hour of speed. And that's it.